Hey guys, it's Johan from OmniView Tech, Canada's leading end-to-end solution provider for drones and unmanned aerial systems. And today we're here to check out some of our industrial unmanned aerial systems.
Hi, my name is Pedram from OmniView Tech. Today I'm here to showcase the different drones that we have. I'm going to be talking about the Matrice 600 and the Matrice 200. On my right here we have the Matrice 600, which is a high payload device, can handle high winds, and could be rigged with multiple different payloads such as LiDAR, multispectral, and also heavy payloads such as movie cameras. Here we have the Matrice 200. The Matrice 200 is a great search and rescue system. It can handle multiple payloads such as search and rescue light, FLIR thermal cameras, and RGB dual cameras. This unit right here is our Inspire 1. Attached to it we have the XT FLIR camera. This unit can be utilized for search and rescue, building envelope inspections, and also for bridge inspections.
Thanks for checking us out. For more information, please visit our website at www.omniviewtech.ca, or you can contact our toll-free line at 1-855-741-8324.